Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Bard without Gmail or even signing in. So Google Bard, of course, is now a part of Gemini. That's what you'll need to know. So you'll have to go and open a browser, and you'll have to open, as an example, Incognito mode. Go and hit Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard, and this should open it up in most the browsers. If it doesn't open, you can just go and click on the three lines, or you might find three dots at the top right, as you can see right here. Once you click on it, you can find here a new private window. This is Incognito mode. So just go and open it up. Once you open it up, you can just go and go, as an example, to, let's just say, bard.google.com and hit the enter button. And as you can see, this will take you to Gemini because, as I said, it was called Bard when it was invented, but now it's called Gemini. It's a part of Gemini. So as you can see, we're not signed in. And can I use it? So I want to bulk give me a meal, or an example, every day meal for a week. So as you can see, I can use it, and I did not sign in or even have a Gmail account. As you can see, they still need to sign in. But what you need to know is every answer that is given here will not be saved. Not if you haven't, not if you like have an account. So let me just go here. And again, I'm just going to type bar.google.com. Of course, this will take me to Gemini. And if I go, as an example, type anything here because I'm logged in, I'll find everything saved in here. So I can always come back and read the chat. But in here, if I go and close this tab will be lost forever and I'll not be able to have it. So that's the only option, as example, or that's the only disadvantage that you have if you don't sign in. Other than that, you can use it totally for free. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.